I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain, dancing in the rain. I'm happy again. I'm singing and dancing in the rain. I'm dancing and singing in the rain.
What a great, great dance. What a great dance. Now, Miss Kelly, have you ever any dancing experience previous to this?
No, the only experience would be tap dancing and when I was 5, maybe.
Okay. Well, you did an outstanding job, and I think y'all were paired perfectly because this man's smile is constant. I've never seen him when he wasn't smiling. You did great tonight, Dr. Alvarez. How was it dancing with Kelly?
Oh, it was a ton of fun, and Kelly was great. She was awesome, learned wonderful. I think she became the pro after a little while, so she did great.
All right. Well, y'all both did an outstanding job. I really enjoyed it. Let's see what the judges have to say.
Hi, that was really cute. I loved the opening. And then we all went, we were looking at one another going, what's going on behind that umbrella at the end? That was cute. That was great coverage of the stage. You have a nice light step, and you had really good connection with your partner. It was a little like Shy Girl on the bench, but you would get up and dance with him, which was really cute. It was really a nice connection, and I love the way you connected with the audience.
You did a great job. You kept it very light and playful, which I think was great, and you really kind of told a story, and it was certainly very reminiscent of the movie, and great song choice for that dance. You did a great job.
I really liked your drama throughout the whole performance. That was great. You all were consistent, on rhythm, and it was just fun to watch.
Thank you. What a great dance. What a great dance. Okay.